In December, the Drug Enforcement Administration told us about the DEA Museum and Visitor Center and the various virtual exhibits and numerous lecture series. Here to talk about an upcoming lecture series that may pique your interest, especially here in the borderland, is Carlos Briano, Public Information Officer for the DEA El Paso Division. So what lecture series are we talking about, Carlos?
Hi, Susie. The DEA Museum produces a series of educational lectures every year. It's designed to inform and educate the public on matters related to the mission of DEA. Some of the past topics include drug trends, science and forensics, collection of objects, the exploits and accomplishments of the men and women of the DEA, and much more. But on Wednesday, March 17th at 8 a.m. Mountain Time, the lecture is going to be Taking Down El Chapo.
Taking Down El Chapo. Now, this sounds really interesting. I love that the DEA is making these lectures available to the public. So Taking Down El Chapo lecture, it is about Joaquin El Chapo Guzman that we're seeing here.
Yes, Susie, you're correct. The lecture will feature key figures in the manhunt, the capture, extradition, and the conviction of Joaquin Archibaldo Guzman Loera, otherwise known as El Chapo, one of the most notorious criminals of the past century. Our panelists are going to discuss the contributions of the DEA in this saga of taking him down. Now, this lecture series, they are free, right? But people are encouraged to get tickets for the events on Eventbrite. Why is that? That's correct. Once you register, we're gonna send you a link to the live stream. It's gonna be emailed to you, and like you said, it's completely free. And there's also a sign language interpretation available. So to get your free tickets to the lecture series coming up this Wednesday, March 17th at 8 a.m., just visit deamuseum.org. And what happens for people who end up missing one of these lecture series? All these lecture series are currently archived at deamuseum.org, so you'll be able to watch it.
Okay, thank you so much for joining us once again this week, Carlos, and we'll see you back here